Welcome to the Yelp Products, Insights, and Knowledge video series. In this video, we're going to be going over logos. This is one of Yelp's newest enhancements, and it is a way to really take your branding to the next level. The logo is one of the most important components of your business. It's how people remember you. Just like when I say Starbucks, Safeway, In-N-Out, Whataburger, Chick-fil-A, Nike, Under Armour. Those are all things that when I say that, I imagine the logo popped into your mind. Now, when I say Starbucks, those of you that hate Starbucks, love Starbucks, I don't really, that's your personal choice, but I'm just saying it is one of the most iconic brands and logos out there. People can just see it. The little green, even people see the green of the logo of Starbucks and it invokes emotion. Whether you love coffee, love the corporation, hate the corporation, what they stand for, what they don't. The fact of the matter is that you still see, remember, and know what the logo is. And this is why logos are so important. And it is one of the first things that we start with as a consulting company when we are rebranding a business, when we're working with somebody to help sell their business, or when somebody wants to buy a business. If the logo is not right, it is the first component that we work on and that we touch on. And Yelp has now added a way for you to really highlight your logo. I want you to hear me when I say this. I get kind of passionate about logos because it's all about branding and remembering. People are visual. People remember and see and process images 60,000 times faster than text. You could see a splatter screen of 15 different logos, and you'll probably be able to see and know what the company is by just seeing that one simple little image. So please make a very strong emphasis on your logo for your business. I mean, you walk into a restaurant, it's going to be on the name of the building. It's going to be on the menus. It might even be on the on the napkins. I mean, you take Starbucks, right? You walk into a Starbucks, you see the big green outside. You walk in the door, you're going to see the colors everywhere. But even just picking up your coffee cup, right? You have the branding on the stopper. You have branding on the cup. You have branding on the sleeve. It's everywhere. You want to make sure that you're really pushing that logo to your consumers. So as I said, it's branding to the next level, and logos allows you to uphold your company's logo, and it is displayed on both your Yelp page as well as the search bar dropdown. It's a subtle yet effective way to give your business a more professional look on Yelp. It also helps to build trust, brand awareness, and provide a more established feel to your page. How many times have you been driving down the street and you see a truck or even just a logo of a business that you know of who they are, and you get a smile on your face and you go, oh, those are some good people? Or if you see, let's say, a plumber who's got his truck all wrapped, or even just a logo on the side of the truck, you're going to remember who they are and the service that they provide, and it's going to trigger for you to want to reach out to them. I know I drove a branded truck for many years when I got out of the Navy, and it's, as a franchisee, it was frustrating because I couldn't even throw an apple core out the window without somebody calling. Now, I'm in a rural area. My thoughts and my concepts are, hey, let's, throw an apple core out. It's biodegradable, an animal will eat it or something else like that. But I've actually had people call me and call the company and complain that we were throwing trash out the window. And again, my mindset is maybe a little bit different, where I'm like, okay, throw the apple core out, an animal will eat it, whatever, biodegradable, go back into the ground. People remember you on the streets. People remember your branding. People remember how your logo looks. And again, it's all about associating positive emotions and positive attitude with your logo with as many people as possible. And that's how you generate as many consumers as possible. Here's an example of how this is utilized. directly and right next to the name on your Yelp profile. Right here, you will see that the logo is right next to the name. And from that point, it is really a great way to brand and highlight your business. So within the video series, the next thing that we're going to jump into is the cost per click advertising. This is going to be a little bit longer, but there's a lot of other variables that I want you to know about with regards to the advertising. So let's jump right into it.